Dear students, very good morning. Page number 38, this question number 1. The value of charge on oil droplets experimentally observed was minus 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19 and minus 4 into 10 power of minus 19. The value of the electronic charge indicated by these results. N should be whole number होना चाहिए. N should be whole number होना चाहिए. The value of charge on the oil droplets experimentally observed were minus 1.6 10 power of minus 20, minus 4 into 10 power of minus 10. The value of the electronic charge is indicated by N should be whole number होना चाहिए. Q equal to NE. N should be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then your answer is correct. Q value you know very well. What is the Q value? Q value, charge of an electron, minus 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19 coulomb. N into. Either charge of electron charge substitute karo rahe idhar. If you are taking electron charge this one, 1.6 ले लो, minus 2.4 this value ले लो, third one ले लो, fourth option ले लो. Fourth option लिया तो minus 0.8 into 10 power of minus 19 coulomb. 10 power of minus 19, 10 power of minus 19 cancel. Minus minus cancel. 0.81 to 0.82 जा. Then N equal to 2 aate. So N is the 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why this is the correct answer. If you calculate the remaining options, won't get like 1, 2, 3. It may be fraction value or the negative value, not 1, 2, 3. That's why your answer is fourth one. Dear students, understood?
Repeat.
Q equal to NE. Q equal to NE. N should be 1, 2, 3, 4 होना चाहिए. Then which value you should take? Fourth value. Fourth लिया तो N value. अरे for example, sorry, if I take first value, okay, first value I will substitute. Minus 1.6 into 10 power of minus 9. N into 1.6 into 10 power of minus 90. 10 power of minus 90, 1.6 times. अरे N equal to minus 1. Minus 1, wrong. Understood? Or otherwise, second value substitute करो. 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19 coulomb into N into minus 2.4 into 10 power of minus 19. This one cancel. 8 2 ja, 8 3 ja. Then 2 by 3 aate. N equal to 2 by 3. Then this is not correct answer. Understood, dear students?
Yes.
Question number
ऑप्शन नहीं हो सकता है क्या
question number 2.
सर?
हाँ मैडम आस्क मी.
सर थर्ड ऑप्शन नहीं हो सकता?
थर्ड ऑप्शन में क्या दिया मैडम?
-4 into
No, that is why this is 4 minus 4 minus 1.6 fraction आते ना. देखो, you are asking some third option. Third option में क्या दिया मैडम? Third option में minus 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19 coulomb. N into 4 into 10 power of minus 19. 0.4 आते ना. 10 power of minus 9, 10 power of minus 9 cancel. Minus minus also minus cancel. Then 1.6 by 4 equal to N. Then N equal to 0.4 है ना.
ओके सर ओके.
Okay, madam. So then this is not correct. Next. N should be whole number होना चाहिए. Not 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 होना चाहिए. Sorry. Next. Question number 2. The charge to mass ratio of alpha particle is approximately to the charge to mass ratio of proton. Charge to mass ratio E by m of alpha particle. E by m of charge to mass ratio of alpha particle. E by m of alpha particle. E by m ratio they are asking. E by m of proton. Alpha particle charge is 2 because of helium 2 plus 2 nuclei alpha particle. 2 by alpha particle mass 4. 2 by 4 upon charge of proton 1, mass is 1. 1. So 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay. So this is the 1 by 2 upon 1 means 1 by 2. Then E by m of alpha, E by m of alpha 2 into E by m alpha equal to E by m of proton. E by m of proton. Then how many times?
Twice.
Twice. Any doubt, dear students? Helium plus 2 nuclei, 2 by 4. Proton, charge of proton 1. Electron means charge. E means charge and mass of proton is 1. Any doubt? Next. Question number 3. This is the most important question. Increasing order of the specific charge of electron, proton, alpha particle and neutron. Dear students, E by m, this value is very important. E by m value, n is less than, alpha is less than, proton is less than electron. Sir, how? Electron charge is minus 1. Dekho this one. Electron charge is minus 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19. Okay, negative charge. Mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 power of minus 31. This one. Proton is 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19. Mass is 1.673 into 10 power of minus 27 kg. Alpha particle 2 into dinucleide He plus 2 2 particles. 2 particles. 2 into 1.6 into 10 power of minus 9 means 2 into 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19 upon 4. Helium 2 plus 7, 2 plus means 2 positive charges. 1 positive for 1.6. Neutron is 0 and 1. Neutron is 0 and 1. 0 and 1. So, okay. So, if you are taking this one neutron, this one mass is, neutron ka charge is no charge. No charge means 0. 0 by anything, 0 this. Understood, right? 0 by anything. Actually, 1.675 into 10 power of minus 20. Dear students, understood? अरे इधर देखो यार 2 by 4 means 1 by 2 0.5 में आते this one. इधर देखो if you observe this one both numerator same all numerators same here denominator ले लो denominator बहुत कम है this one 9.1 understood रे इधर all numerators almost same है ना but इधर denominator ले लो रे denominator this is the 10 power of minus 31 least value that's why most value resultant value next to this one this is already 0 don't worry leave it there. Dear students, understood? This is the 0 no doubt. Neutron E by m value 0. I am explaining very clearly. Neutron E by m value 0 because of 0 by anything 0. Neutron charge 0. Sir, alpha electron charge this one, proton charge this one, alpha particle charge this one. Arey mass dekho, mass of electron, mass of proton, mass of alpha particle. Less mass, more E by m. Least mass. Next, ज़्यादा mass है, that's a more E by m. Any doubt this one?
No, sir.
समझ में आया ना? टेक्निक रे पूरा कैलकुलेट किया तो हमको टाइम वेस्ट है ना? Any doubt? That's why neutron is less than, alpha particle is less than, proton is less than electron. Right. Next. Problem number 4. The nitride ion in lithium nitride composed of lithium nitride. Nitride means N3 minus. Nitride means N3 minus. Nitrogen atomic number 7. That's why 7 electron and 7 proton. But 3 minus means gain 3 electron. That's why 10 electron, 7 protons. 10 electrons, 7 protons. Any doubt? Any doubt? Vaishnavi, understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Question number 5. The wrong statement among the following is nitrogen atom, nitride ion have same atomic number. Correct? Na? Nitrogen, nitride, same atomic number, same. Either 7 electron, either be 7 electron. Sorry, atomic number means same, proton, 7 proton, 7 proton. Electrons are different. Atomic number same, correct. Aluminium atom and ion have same mass number. Yes, atom and ion same mass number. Iron atom, ferrous ion have same electron configuration. Iron atom, ferrous ion. Wrong, enough. Iron atom means Fe. Iron 2 plus means ferrous means Fe2 plus. Both species have same configuration. Is it right? Both species have same configuration. Is it right?
No, sir.
No. Iron 26. Iron 26 electron. Ferrous means ferrous 2 plus. 26 minus 2, 24. Does not have same electrons. That's why this is the wrong statement. Question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6. Please concentrate, dear students. In which of the following species both cation and anion have same number of electrons? Same number of electrons. First one Ca plus 2, O2 minus. CaO. CaO means Ca plus 2, O minus 2. Calcium 20, 20 minus 2, 18 electron. Oxygen 8, gain 2 electron, 10 electron. This is wrong. Fourth one, potassium bromide, K plus, Br minus. Potassium 19, 19 minus 1, 18. Br 35, 35 gain 1 electron, 36. No, this is not answer. NaF, yes, NaF is the correct. Na plus F minus. Sodium 11, 11 minus 1, 10. Chlorine 9, gain 1 electron, 10. Same number of electrons. IC electrons. Understood? Any doubt?
Sir,
Next.
repeat again.
Any doubt?
Sir, repeat the last option again.
Madam, NaF, madam, Na plus F minus, sodium ion. Sodium atomic number 11. 11 minus 1, 10. Fluorine 9. Gain 1 electron, 10.
Okay, sir. Okay, understood. Yeah.
समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. ये doubt है तो पूछो, no problem, हाँ? Right. Next. Problem number 7. An atom contains electron, protons and neutrons. If mass of each neutron is half and each electron is double, then atomic mass of 12 mg. This is the magnesium. 12 magnesium, 12 magnesium 24. Atomic number 12. Z is the 12. Proton is the 12. But A equal to 24. A equal to 24. A मतलब क्या है? Proton plus neutron equal to 24. But these are the nucleons. The sum of the proton and neutron is the nucleons. Mass influenced both proton and neutron. Electrons won't change mass. Any doubt? But problem है क्या दिया? If the mass of each neutron is half, each neutron, for example, in this problem, 12 plus n equal to 24. N equal to 24 minus 12, then n equal to 24. In this problem, atomic number 12, protons are 12, mass number 24, neutrons are 12. Neutrons half किया. अरे neutrons half किया तो कितना हो जाते? Neutrons becomes half, then कितना हो जाते? How many neutrons?
6.
6 neutrons, good. Then mass कितना हो जाते? Then 6 neutrons means 6 by total mass is 24. 6 by 24 into 100. Then 1 by 4 into 100. Then 25% is reduced. Because of half हो गया ना? 6 by 24. Neutrons only change हो गया ना? Mass of the mass is influenced neutrons and protons. Proton does not change. That's why I am not considering protons. Only neutrons. So approximately get reduced by how much percentage? 25%. प्रॉब्लम नंबर 8 आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं ना? Problem number 8, electromagnetic spectrum ray theory direct. Solve karo na, otherwise I will tell. Cosmic gamma, X, UV, visible IR, micro, TV, radio wavelength increases, energy decreases. Dear students, problem number 8 completed. Problem number 8. अरे डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन यार. I think आप theory पढ़े नहीं किया. Completed or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Completed, sir.
Right. Good. क्योंकि ना every question if I am solving आप सो जाते. Energy levels. Problem number 9. Energy levels. A, B, C. Three energy levels given. Certain atoms corresponding to increasing values of energy level. EA less than EB less than EC. It's lambda 1 given. A, B, C given. Are wavelengths of radiations C to B, B to A. C to B, lambda 1. B to A, lambda 2. C to A, lambda 3 given respectively. Which of the following statement is correct? Good question. Which of the following statement is correct? But its energy levels E1 equal E1 E2 E3. E1 E2 E3. मतलब AC equal to A BC plus AB. BC plus AB. Understood, dear students? AC equal to BC plus AB. Means AC is nothing but E3. E3 equal to means this energy level. So this one AC, how energy and wavelength inversely proportional, you know? AC means energy in terms of energy is given. We want to write wavelength. Energy and wavelength inversely proportional. That's why 1 by lambda 3 equal to BC. 1 by lambda 1 plus 1 by lambda 2. Then what is the answer, dear students? Tell me. 1 by lambda 3 equal to lambda 1 plus lambda 2 by lambda 1 lambda 2. Then lambda 3 equal to lambda 1 lambda 2 by lambda 1 plus lambda 2. समझ में आया ना? Any doubt?
Wait, sir.
Right. Problem number 10. Planck's constant.
Wait, sir. Wait.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Good. What is the Planck's constant units? Joule second. Power units also Joule second. Dimensions equal हो जाते हैं. देखो. Power that one. Problem number 11. The number of photons of light having wave number x. U bar equal to x. In 1 joule of energy. Energy equal to 1 joule. Planck's constant h. H given, Planck's constant, velocity c given. So number of photons E equal to nh nu. E equal to nh nu means c by lambda. Then E equal to nhc into 1 by lambda. Then E equal to nhc into 1 by lambda is nothing but nu bar. Okay, na? But energy is 1 joules given. 1 equal to N into H into C. Nu bar is nothing but X. Then N equal to number of photon 1 by HCX. Any doubt? I am explaining very clearly. Nu equal to C by lambda. Understood? समझ में आया मैडम? Samruddhi, understood?
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good. Abdul, understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Problem number 12. Problem number 12. Dear students, listen carefully. Problem number 12 and 13, same concept at a time I will explain. The work function of a photoelectric material is 3.3 electron volt. Threshold frequency 12. Work function W equal to 3.3 electron volt. But 1 electron volt equal to 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19 joules. Then 3.3 into 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19 joules work function. But W equal to H nu naught. Nu naught is the threshold frequency. We want nu naught. Nu naught equal to W by H. W equal to 3.3 into 6 into 10 power of minus 19 joules. Okay. Then this H is the Planck's constant, 6.625 into 10 power of minus 34 joules second. Second inverse, which is converted as H. That is the answer. Exactly the answer. Process understood now, dear students?
Sir,
Any
please
doubt?
repeat.
Shall I repeat, madam?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Work equal to 3.3 electron volt. 1 electron volt equal to 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19 joules. So that's why I converted as joules. W equal to H nu naught. Nu naught equal to W by H. H is the Planck's constant, fixed. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good. Next. Problem number 13. Problem number 13. Problem number 13. In photoelectric effect, the energy photon striking a metallic surface. Energy given means H nu given. Energy H nu equal to 5.6 into 10 power of minus 19 joules. Okay. The kinetic energy is given. Kinetic energy is given. Kinetic energy equal to 12 into 10 power of minus 20. Matlab, which can be written as 1.2 into 10 power of minus 19. Let's say minus 19 joule. Okay. But work from we know very well according to photoelectric effect, H nu equal to H nu naught plus kinetic energy. H nu is this one. H nu naught is the work function. Then 5.6 into 10 power of minus 19. H nu naught. We have to find out kinetic energy 1.2 into 10 power of minus 19. Then its value is comes that side. 5.6 into 10 power of minus 19 minus 1.2 into 10 power of minus 19 kinetic energy. This value is 4.4 into 10 power of minus 19. 4.4 into 10 power of minus 19. That is the kinetic energy. This 4.4. That is the answer. Any doubt? Problem number 14.
Sir, wait.
Problem number 14. The kinetic energy of electron ejected by using light having frequency equal to threshold frequency. अरे nu equal to nu naught, then kinetic energy 0 है ना? Understood रे? पढ़ाई किया, theory में discuss किया ना? Whatever quantity of frequency means incident frequency equal to threshold frequency. अरे whatever quantity of frequency passed through that surface, total utilized for the ejection of electron, then there is no kinetic energy. Completed. Next. Hydrogen spectrum. Good question. 15. Which of the following transitions are not allowed in the normal electronic emission spectrum? Are emission spectrum means what is emission spectrum? Electron jumps from any higher energy level to lower energy level. That is the emission spectrum. Higher energy level to lower energy level. First one 2s to 1s. 2s means 2 plus 0. 1s means 1 plus 0. n plus l value है ना? 2 plus 0 to 1 plus 0 1. s सबसे l value 0 है ना? 2 to 1. Yes, emission spectrum. 2p to 1s. n equal to 2, l equal to 1, n equal to 1, l equal to 0. 2 plus 1, 3, 1 plus 0, 1. 3 to yes, third to first energy. Yes, possible emission spectrum. 3d 4p. 3d 4p. n equal to 3. d sub cell l value is the 2. n equal to 4. p sub cell l value is the 1. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. Same orbit. Fifth orbit, fifth orbit. Either second orbit, first orbit. Means like energy levels. Is it possible?
No.
No. This is not possible. This is not possible. Next. In hydrogen spectrum, the spectral line of Balmer series having the lowest wavelength. High energetic transition, shortest wavelength. High energetic transition, shortest wavelength. Lowest wavelength. In Balmer series, which is the high energetic transition? Infinite to 2. Infinite to 2 is the okay. After that, if you are taking H alpha, H beta, H gamma, H delta, H infinity, which delta ले लो? Understood, right? H alpha means 3 to 2. 3 to 2. This one 4 to 2. This one 5 to 2. This one 6 to 2. Like that. Infinite to 2. So this is the high energetic transition and lowest wavelength. High energetic transition, lowest wavelength. But here relatively 3 to 2, 4 to 2, 5 to 2, 6 to 2. 6 to 2 is the high energetic transition, lowest wavelength. H delta line. Any doubt? पढ़ाई किया आप बामर सीरीज?
Yes, sir.
Right. Question number 17. Can you explain anybody? In hydrogen atom, electron is present in the n cell. If it loses energy, a spectral line may be observed in the region. N cell means N means K, L, M, N. N cell means which region?
D.
Fourth, no? N means fourth. Yeah. Fourth means 4 to 1 possible, 4 to 2 possible, 4 to 3 possible. Lyman, Balmer, passive possible. UV, visible, IR. Then answer is?
Fourth option.
All of the above.
Yes, yes, good. Fourth option, all the above. Question number 18. The electron present in the fifth orbit in excited hydrogen atom return back to ground state. The number of lines which appear in Lyman series of hydrogen spectrum appears in Lyman series. Fifth orbit to Lyman series. Lyman series, what is the N1 value? N2 is 5. N1 is 1. Because of Lyman series, clearly they are mentioned in Lyman series. The number of spectral lines formula. Tell me, dear students, number of spectral lines formula. Batao. If you know N2 and N1, N2 minus N1 into N2 minus N1 plus 1 by 2. 5 minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Cancel this one. 4 into 5 by 2. 10 by 2. Four into 5 by 2. These are the total spectral lines. Achha, only Lyman series. Na? These are the number of spectral lines. Number of spectral lines. If you know N2 and N1. But they are asking Lyman series. Are Lyman series number of spectral lines kya hai? 5 to 1, 4 to 1, 3 to 1, 2 to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spectral lines Lyman. Understood, right? They are asking number of spectral lines in Lyman series. Next problem. Any doubt? Tell me 19. Which of the following give neither emission spectrum nor absorption spectrum? Tell me 19. H plus because of no electron, na? Without electron kaise dete rahe? Emission spectrum or absorption spectrum? Third one answer. 20. The following electronic transition corresponds to shortest wavelength. Shortest wavelength means high energy. High energy means, I will explain this concept later. देखो N5 to N1. N5 to N1. N1 means first energy level. First means Lyman series. Lyman series means UV region. Second one N5 to N3. N5 to N3. Lyman, Balmer, Paschen series. Paschen means IR, near IR. Okay? Near IR. N5 to N2. N5 to N2. This is Balmer series. Balmer series means visible region. N5 to N4. N5 to N4. N4 means bracket series. Bracket also mid IR. And which is the more energy? UV, visible, IR, mid IR. Which is the more energy?
UV.
UV.
UV is the more energy. More energy means wavelength, shortest wavelength. This is the shortest wavelength. Understood, dear students? Energy and wavelength inversely proportional. Any doubt? Sir, UV, how we know? Electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic spectrum, le lo. Any doubt? Any doubt, dear students?
No, sir.
Question number 21. Which of the following electron transition in a hydrogen atom will require the energy equivalent to ionization energy? Ionization energy means energy required to remove of an electron from infinitive energy level. N2 is the infinitive. Then which is the answer? Which is the answer? Tell me dear students, which is the answer?
Fourth option.
Fourth option. 22. If the mass of the electron is reduced to half, the Rydberg constant becomes half. Sir, Rydberg constant formula, sir.
Remains unchanged.
Rydberg constant formula, sir. Mass of electron. No, this is the Rydberg constant. Dear students, listen carefully. Rydberg constant formula क्या है? 2 pi square mz square e power of 4 upon h cube c. है ना? Actually, Rydberg constant does not change. Listen carefully. Sir, mass of electron कैसे आप change करते हैं? No, you cannot change. But theoretically they are given. Actually, a constant Rydberg constant only. But if the mass of the electron is reduced to half, Rydberg constant becomes half.
Half.
Understood, right? Sir, mass, okay, mass we cannot reduce to half electron. That is different thing. Question they are asking, mass of the electron of m becomes m by 2, r becomes r by 2 because both are directly proportional. समझ में आया ना? Question number 23. Question number 23. According to Bohr's theory, the angular momentum for an electron of fifth orbit. Orbit angular momentum formula. Dear
NH
students,
by 2 pi.
orbit angular momentum formula. MBR equal to NH by 2 pi. Orbit angular momentum formula. Orbit angular momentum formula. MBR equal to N into H by 2 pi. Fifth orbit 5 into H by 2 pi. Understood? H by 2 pi can be written as H cap. Huh? H cap. Important model problems. Any doubt? Next. Shall we go to next problem?
Yes, sir.
The change in velocity when hydrogen electron jumps from K cell to L cell. K to L. K to L. K to L. K L. K means N value is the 1. L means N value is the 2. So velocity of first orbit V equal to 2 pi Z E square 2 pi Z E square upon NH. V is directly proportional to 1 by N. V1 by V2 equal to N2 by N1. V1 velocity of K, V2 velocity of L orbit. N1 1, N2 means this is a 2 by 1. Problem what they are asking? The change in velocity when hydrogen electron jumps from K to L. Then क्या हो जाते हैं? K to L. Velocity of L equal to velocity of K by 2. Understood, right? Any doubt, dear students? Understood?
Sir, repeat again.
Electron jumps from K cell to L cell, madam. Means first orbit to second orbit. This is the formula. V is directly proportional to 1 by N. V1 by V2 equal to N2 by N1. V1 means velocity of K. V2 means velocity of L cell. N2 means second orbital. This is the second orbital. Means velocity of L. No?
Yes.
This one V1. Any doubt? Okay, without confusion. समझ में आया ना? Isha, understood?
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good. थोड़ा क्लास होने के बाद आप भी देखो रे डाउट है तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. each hydrogen atom is excited by giving 10.2 electron volt. The maximum number of spectral lines in the emission is equal to. Good question. Actually, dear students, listen carefully. Energy of first orbit minus 13 point nth orbit formula. 8 minute. Energy of nth orbit formula. Energy of nth orbit formula minus 13.6 into z square by n square electron volt. Energy of nth orbit. First orbit is 1 square by 1 square 13.6. Energy of second orbit minus 13.6 into 1 square by 2 square 4 means minus 3.4. Energy of third orbit calculate karo. Here to 1 square by 3 square 9 minus 13.6 by 9 minus 1.51. Energy of fourth orbit minus 0.54 something are the electron volts. Calculate karo. Okay. First orbit, second orbit, third orbit, fourth orbit. Already I calculated. Right? Each, देखो question number 25. Each hydrogen atom is excited by giving 10.2 electron volt. The maximum number of spectral lines in the emission. E2 minus E1 ले लो रे कितना आते रे E2 minus E1 E2 minus E1 equal to मतलब minus 3.4 minus 13.6. You are getting minus 3.4 plus 13.6 which is equal to 10.2 electron volt means 10.2 electron volt given. Each hydrogen atom is excited by giving E2 minus E1 means electron jumps from second to first. Or, okay, this much energy is required means first to second. Understood, right? Dear students, from first energy level to second energy level, how much energy required? 10.2 electron volt energy required. Second to first, how much energy released means 10 minus 10.2 electron volt energy released. That is the difference. Any doubt? This one understood now? You are getting 10.2 electron volt means electron jumps from which energy level? E1, E2. Difference is 10.2. Then electron jumps from which energy level?
2 to 1.
2 to 1. 2 to 1. 2 to 1. How many spectral lines are possible?
1.
One only. समझ में आया ना? Right. Then what is the answer? Each hydrogen atom is excited by giving 10.2 electron volts. The maximum number of spectral lines in the emission is equal to 1. And one more important, dear students, in your level 2 practice questions, 12.75 electron volts given, right? 12.75 electron volt. E2 minus E1, E3 minus E2 karo, E4 minus E3 karo. If we add these, this one and this one and this one, 12.75 electron volt means higher energy level is the fourth energy level. Fourth energy level is the what are the spectral line? 4 to 1, 3 to 1, 2 to 1, 4 to 2, 3 to 2. Okay. After that 4 to 3. Then how many spectral lines are possible? How many spectral lines? My point understood, right? This total 12.75, E2 minus E1, E3 minus E2, E4 minus E3, 12.75 electron volt. One of your level 2 practice question, that one. Means maximum energy level, fourth energy level. Fourth energy level is 4 to 1, 3 to 1, 2 to 1. That question also I will tell you. Question number. Yesterday some of the student asked this doubt. I sent already group में भी रखा that question. अब देखा नहीं देखा मेरे को पता नहीं but I read it. Question number 17 is that one. Page number 59. Page number 59. Question number 17. A gas of monoatomic hydrogen excited by an energy 12.75 electron volt. The spectral lines of the following are found in Lyman, Balmer, Paschen. Yes, 12.75 means fourth energy level. Fourth Lyman, how many Lyman? This is the Lyman, this is the Balmer, this is the Passion. Lyman 3 spectral lines, Balmer 2, Passion 1. 3 to 1 answer. Understood? Srishti, understood? Sritika? Sritika? Vaishnavi?
Yes, sir.
Right, right. Doubt is the pucho, no problem. I will explain. Huh? Yesterday I did this one. Once again. Huh? Right. These are the 25 questions. (26, 27) solve करोगे doubt है तो पूछो. Period. 28. Problem number 28. Problem number 28. Tell me, dear students, we did this one. T1. This is also. Which of the following curve may represent speed of electron in hydrogen atom in a function of principal quantum number? Tell me, which is the correct graph? Velocity of nth orbit equal to 2 pi z e square by n h. B and n inversely proportional. B and n inversely proportional. That's why this is the graph. Understood now? 28, any doubt? Problem number 28. Understood? Rohini, understood?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Tejas?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया? This is the formula. Inversely proportional. Velocity mode.
Yes, sir.
(29). The difference in angular momentum associated with the electron in two successive orbits. Good question here. Actually, orbit angular momentum formula MVR equal to NH by 2 pi. अरे first orbit है तो क्या है? H by 2 pi. N equal to 1. Second orbit है तो क्या है? Second orbit N2 है तो 2 into H by 2 pi. 2 into H by 2 pi. Then difference क्या है? Difference क्या है? This is the N1, this is the N2. Difference N2 minus N1. 2 into H by 2 pi minus this is the 1 into, okay, this is the N, 1 into H by 2 pi. अरे H by 2 pi common लिया तो 2 minus 1 then 1 into H by 2 pi then H by 2 pi. Understood, dear students? समझ में आया ना? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Next. The 29 answer?
First option.
First. Properties of electrons that are quantized in Bohr's atomic model. Bohr's atomic model, which is the quantized? Stationary orbit, fixed energy, quantized. Angular momentum, orbit angular momentum, quantized. Then answer is both energy and
Angular
angular
momentum.
momentum. Energy constant, that's why these orbits are called stationary orbits. Whenever the electron revolves around the nucleus in a closed circular path, neither emits energy nor absorbs energy. Energy remains constant, fixed energy. Energy fixed. Orbit angular momentum also quantized. Yes, fixed energy. Fixed quantum. Orbit angular momentum. First orbit is the H by 2 pi, second orbit is 2 into H by 2 pi like this. Energy and angular momentum, right. 31. When greater number of excited hydrogen atoms reach the ground state, then when greater number of excited hydrogen atoms reach the ground state, then Good question. More number of lines are found in Lyman series. Okay, more Lyman series we can find out, but what is the reason? Eppudu means which case? Dear students, when greater number of excited hydrogen atoms reach the ground state, then the most important here we have to remember, more number of spectral lines you can observe in which series? More number of spectral lines Lyman series. And one more thing, if that radiation should be more intensity hona chahiye. More intensity means more energy hona chahiye. High energetic transition. Infinite to 1, infinite to 1, 5, okay, 7 to 1, 6 to 1, 4 to 5 to 1, 5 to 1, 4 to 1, like this, 3 to 1, 2 to 1, like this. Understood? Eh? This is a high energetic transition. High energetic transition means more intentional transition, intensity transition. Then only we can observe more number of spectral lines when electron jumps from that higher excited state. Understood? High intensity, high energy, high intensity, shortest wavelength. Understood or not? Then what is the answer? The intensity of lines in Lyman series? Lyman series increases.
Increase.
32. To which of the following Bohr's theory is applicable? Dear students, clearly I am telling, Bohr's theory successfully explains single electron spectrum, single electronic spectrum, like hydrogen, helium plus, lithium plus 2, beryllium plus 3, or otherwise even deuterium also. Single electron spectrum. Hydrogen means 1H1, deuterium means 1H2, tritium means 1H3. Where atomic number same means proton same, electron same. Single electron, single electron, single electron, single electron, single electron, single electron. Hydrogen spectrum, Bohr's theory successfully explains single electron spectrum. Bohr's theory could not explain multi-electronic spectrum. Bohr's theory successfully Bohr's theory, Zeeman effect and Stark effect. Zeeman effect means the splitting of spectral lines. 1 minute. The splitting of spectral lines in presence of magnetic field, Zeeman effect. The splitting of spectral lines in presence of electric field, Stark effect. Bohr's theory could not explain Zeeman effect and Stark effect. That is one of the drawbacks. That is the drawback, right? Okay, anyway, the question dekho. To which of the following Bohr's theory applicable? Hg plus can applicable? Applicable now?
Yes, sir.
Because of one electron, lithium plus 2, yes, applicable. Yes, tritium, protium, deuterium, tritium, yes, can applicable. Beryllium plus 2, is it possible? No, because beryllium atomic number 4, yeah, beryllium plus 2 means lose 2 electrons, remaining 2 electrons are there. This is a multi-electron spectrum. Bohr's theory could not explain multi-electron spectrum. It can explain only single electron spectrum. Then answer is He plus Na plus 2 tritium.
Fourth one.
फोर्थ वन, यस यस, गुड गुड. इससे आप भी पार्टिसिपेट किया तो इजी हो जाता रे. थोड़ा 1 सेकंड मिस हो गया तो व्हाइल एक्सप्लेनेशन टाइम ये 1 or 2 सेकंड्स आप थोड़ा कंसंट्रेट नहीं किया तो डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 33. Which of the following has the largest de Broglie's wavelength provided all the equal velocity? Good question. You can easily solve it. Sir, lambda equal to h by m is, sir, equal velocity, h constant. Then lambda and m inversely proportional. Problem में क्या चाहिए? Which of the following has the largest de Broglie's wavelength? Lambda should be more, m should be less. Lambda should be more, m should be less. Then tell me which is the less mass. First one carbon dioxide, second one ammonia, third one O2 molecule, M2 molecule. CO2 44, NH3 17, O2 32, M2 28. Then which is the answer? Less mass, more wavelength.
NH3.
NH3. NH3, completed problem. Among the following particles which will have the shortest wavelength when accelerated by 1 million electron volt. The shortest wavelength again. Shortest wavelength means it should be more mass. बराबर ना? Alpha particle more mass है. Alpha particle क्या है? 2He4 है ना? 2He4 more mass less wavelength. Alpha particle. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Good. 35. When uncertainty in position and momentum are equal. Uncertainty in position and momentum are equal. Then uncertainty in velocity. Sorry. 35. If the wavelength of an electron numerically is equal to the distance traveled by it in 1 second, means velocity 1 year. Velocity 1 year. The wavelength of an electron is numerically equal to distance traveled by it in 1 second. Okay. The wavelength of electron is numerically equal to distance traveled by it in 1 second. And distance traveled by it in 1 second means that is the velocity. Velocity equal to wavelength. That is the meaning. But lambda equal to h by mv. V equal to lambda. Lambda equal to h by m into lambda. Lambda square equal to h by m. Lambda equal to root over h by m. Understood, dear students, this problem? If the wavelength of electron is numerically equal to distance traveled by it in 1 second, means numerically V equal to lambda. V equal to lambda. Lambda square equal to h by m. Lambda equal to root over h by m. Any doubt? Understood?
Sir, explain once again.
Question. That's why I'm explaining. Among the following particles which will have the shortest wavelength when accelerated by 1 million electron volts. If the question number 35, sorry. If the wavelength of the electron is numerically equal to distance traveled by it in 1 second. Distance traveled by 1 second means velocity. Velocity is numerically equal to wavelength. That is the question. Understood, right? Distance traveled by wave in 1 second, velocity. Velocity is numerically equal to wavelength. E equal to lambda. We know lambda equal to h by mv. We replace lambda lekha. That lambda square equal to h by m. Lambda equal to root over h by m. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Next. Any doubt, dear students? Daniel, okay?
Yes, sir.
Next problem. When uncertainty in position and momentum are equal. Problem number 36. Delta x, delta p are equal. Uncertainty in position, uncertainty in momentum are equal. Then uncertainty in velocity. Delta x, delta p is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. But delta x, delta p are equal. So delta p greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. Delta x replace delta p में लिखा. Delta p whole square is greater than h by 4 pi. But delta p equal to m delta v. M delta v whole square is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. M square delta v whole square is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. Delta v whole square is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi m square. Okay. मतलब delta v equal to delta m really equal. Okay. H by 4 pi m square. Then delta v equal to 1 by 4 m square into h by pi root लिख सकते हैं ना 4m square pi. Then delta v equal to 1 by 4m square comes outside 1 by 2m root over h by pi. Delta v equal to 1. Understood, right? 1 by 4m square comes outside 1 by 4 root 2. 1 by m square m 1 by 2m root over h by pi. Any doubt, dear students? Very important model problem.
Can you please repeat again? Repeat, sir.
Question number 36. When uncertainty in position and momentum are equal. Position and momentum are equal. But we know according to Heisenberg uncertainty principle, delta x, delta p is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. So delta x replace delta p likha. Delta p greater than h by 4 pi. Delta p whole square greater than h by 4 pi. Delta p means m delta p. M delta p whole square is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. M square delta v whole square greater than h by 4 pi. Understood? Right? Delta v whole square h by 4 pi m square. समझ में आया ना? Delta v means root h by 4 1 by 4 m square. लिख सकते हैं ना भाई? मैडम ओके ना?
Yes, sir.
Everybody understood this problem? Dear students, everybody completed?
Yes, sir.
Next. Isha understood?
Yes, sir.
Next. Number of radial nodes of 3s and 2p are becomes respectively. Radial nodes. Dear students, mute my problem number 37. Number of radial nodes. Radial nodes. Radial nodes formula n minus l minus 1. 3s 2p. 3s n value 3, s sub cell l value 0. N value 2, l value 1. N minus l minus 1. 3 minus 0 minus 1. 2 minus 1 minus 1. 0. Dear students, understood? Number of radial nodes formula. Radial nodes formula n minus l minus 1. 3s. In 3s, n equal to 3, s sub cell l equal to 0. 3 minus 0 minus 1, 2. 2p. n2, p sub cell l1. n minus l minus 1. 2 minus 1 minus 1, 0. Any doubt, dear students? Radial nodes formula? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Nodal planes formula, nodal planes in 3s nodal planes 0. 2p nodal planes 1. Nodal planes formula L. Nodal planes are angular nodes formula L. Any doubt? Nodal planes are angular nodes L. Nodal planes are angular nodes L. Okay, right. And one more thing, dear students, number of peaks formula n minus 1. Number of peaks formula 39 देखो 39. Number of peaks formula. Number of peaks formula n minus 1. n minus 1. In this problem 3s is given. अरे 3s. 3s है तो क्या है? n equal to 3. n3 means 3 minus 1. n minus l, sorry. n minus l. 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0 means 3. Number of peaks formula n minus l. n minus l. Understood, dear students? Question number 39. In the plots of radial distribution function for the hydrogen 3s orbital versus smaller, the number of peaks formula n minus l. 3s, n3, l0, 3 minus 0, 3. Understood? Right. 38 theory question देखो. The basis of quantum mechanic model of an atom. Dual nature. De Broglie's wave theory. Dual nature. Any moving body has possessed both particle nature and wave nature. Dual nature of electron. 38 is 3. 38, 39 completed. Any doubt? Manoj, understood? Manoj?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
Question number 40. Page number 42. Page number 42. Question number 40. Okay. Question number 40. Dear students, please concentrate. Which of the following condition is incorrect for? Psi must be single valued and at a very particular point. Correct. Psi must be single value, na? Psi must be single value, psi must be continuous, psi may be positive or negative. So then what is the answer or incorrect answer? अरे आपको पता है ना, this is the psi value, amplitude value, positive, negative. Psi must be single value. Yes, single, particular value. Psi must be single value. Correct. Psi must be continuous. Psi must be continuous. Yes, continuous this one. Psi either positive or negative. But what is given second option? Psi must be positive given. Okay, positive, but negative आना चाहिए ना, positive or negative. So then what is the incorrect?
Second.
40 answer is what? Second option, right. Question number 41. Question number 41. Consider the following statement, correct statement. Electron density in XY plane in dx. 1 minute. Huh? Question number 41. Question number 41. Question number 41. Electron density in XY plane in 3D x square minus y square orbital is 0. Wrong है ना? अरे orbital is nothing but what? Maximum electron density around the nucleus in 3-dimensional space, atomic orbital. अरे 3D x square minus y square is nothing but 3D x square minus y square. X square minus y square means electron density x and y, maximum electron density, but they are given 0. Wrong. Electron density in xy plane in 3D z square orbital 0. That is correct, right? 3D z square means only z orbital electron density is there. Then xy plane 0 electron density. Then is it right or wrong?
Right.
Right. 2s orbital has only one spherical node. Spherical node formula, radial nodes. Spherical nodes, radial nodes formula same rate. Radial nodes which is equal to n minus l minus 1. 2s. 2s is the n value 2, l value 0. So 2 minus 0 minus 1, 1. Then correct enough? Dear students, understood now? 2s orbital has one spherical node. Radial node or spherical node formula same is spherical node. So n minus l minus 1, 1 correct. 2 and 3 statements correct. Fourth statement, 2pz orbital yz is the nodal plane. Wrong now. And what is the nodal plane? What is the nodal plane? The plane which has no electron density around the nucleus in 3-dimensional space. That is the nodal plane. And pz orbital, xy is the nodal plane. Xy no electron density. Understood? Then which statements are correct?
2 and 3. Second and
Second and third correct. Okay. Like that 42, 43, 44, 45 धीरे पढ़ाई करके हम solve करेंगे. That 46. Problem number 46. Dear students, please listen carefully. The quantum number L and the number of electrons N in the sublevel related to. And number of electron N equal to 4L plus 2R because of S subset L value 0. L value 0 means 4 into 0 plus 2. Yes, 2 electrons. N is the number of electron. Quantum number is L. Relation. For example, P subcell, L value 1. And for example, 4 into 1 plus 2. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 means 6 electrons. Yes, P subcell 6 electrons. Correct enough? Understood, right? For example, D subcell, L value 3. 4 into D subcell L value 2. 4 into 2 plus 2. 8 plus 2, then 10 electron. Yes, D subcell 10 electron. Dear students, understood? Dear students, understood this one? 46.
yes.
N equal to 4L plus 2. Number of electrons equal to 4L plus 2. N equal to S. Substitute करो doubt है तो आपको. S है तो 2, P है तो means S subcell L0, 2 electron. P subcell L1, P subcell L2. Yes, 2, 6, 10. Problem number 47. The set of quantum numbers N equal to 3, L equal to 2, ML equal to 0. N equal to 3, L equal to 2, ML equal to 0. N3, L2 means which orbital? N3 third orbital. L2 means which orbital? D orbital.
D.
D orbital. D orbital क्या है? 5 D orbitals. 1, 2, 3, 5. 5 D orbitals. Describe an electron in 2s orbital. No, it is not allowed. No. Describe an electron 3p. No. Describe one of the 5 orbitals of similar type. Yes. These 5 orbitals, D orbitals, same type. Degenerate orbitals. D orbitals are degenerated. dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square. These 5 are same type. Degenerate orbital. Degenerate orbital. Then answer is fourth one. 47 is 4. 47, 4. Okay now. (48) The orbital having minimum m value. Spherical है तो L0 रे, m0. Dumbbell है तो एक मिनट. Problem number 48. Problem number 48. Spherical shape means S subset L0. Yes, L0. Then okay, L0, M0. L equal to 1, M equal to -1, 0, +1, P subset. L equal to 2, L equal to 2, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. Understood? This is the S spherical, this is the P dumbbell, this is the D double dumbbell. Array double dumbbell least M value -2. Then answer is double dumbbell. Tetrahedral, dear students, understood? The orbital having minimum M value. Minimum M value -2. In which subset? D orbital. Any doubt? Any doubt? 49. An orbital made of 4 lobes can have the following quantum numbers. 4 lobes. 4 lobes means which one? D orbital. D orbital 4 lobes है ना? Dx by dy by dt. 1, 2, 3, 4 lobes. D orbitals. D orbital can start it from minimum 3D. 3D. N equal to 3, L equal to 2. L2 है तो M value -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. These are the possibilities. Then which is the answer? 49. An orbital made of 4 lobes can have the following quantum numbers. N3, L2, N0. Understood now?
Yes.
Question number 50. Number of electrons of manganese with magnetic quantum number value 0. Good question, yeah, 50. Problem number 50. Dear students, listen carefully. Number of electrons of manganese with magnetic quantum number 0. Manganese. Manganese is the 25. Manganese or magnesium? Magnesium. Manganese 25. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d5. S subset L0, M0. Either L0, M0. Okay. L0, either M0. Either L0, M0. इधर p subcell क्या है? 3 orbitals. Okay, 3 orbital px, py, pz. इधर m0, इधर m0, इधर m0, इधर m0. Okay, इधर 2, इधर 2, 3p में 3 px, py, pz, pz m0, m0. Understood? 4s 2 electrons, m0, m0. d5 5 ampere electrons, 1 2 3 4 5 d5. इधर m0 means either 2 2 2 2 2 1. Answer is 4 6 8 10. Any mistake? 1s 2s 2p 3s yes. 2 4 6 8 10 2 4 6 8 10 12 13. 13 is the answer. Understood, dear students? Any doubt?
So
Manganese 25, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3p5. S subcell L0, M0. S subcell L0, M0. P subcell L1. M इधर क्या है? -1 +1, but इधर 0 है. S इधर 0. P again -1 +1 0. But D5 इधर -2 -1 +1 +2, but इधर 0. D5 है. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Next. Total number of m values for n equal to 4. N equal to 4. Number of m values formula. Number of m values formula. Okay. Number of m values formula. अच्छा L नहीं दिया ना M दिया ना N4 दिया N4 दिया तो 4S 4P 4D 4F इधर 0 इधर -1 0 +1 -2 -1 0 +1 +2 -3 -2 -1 0 +1 +2 +3 इधर 1 1 3 4 4 5 9 9 plus 7 9 plus 7 16, right? Understood, dear students? Understood? Problem number 51. The total number of m values for n equal to 4. अरे n 4 है तो if n equal to 4 है तो 4s 4p 4d 4f s subcell l0 इधर l0 इधर l1 इधर l2 means n4 means. Understood or not? Dear students, this one understood. If n equal to 4, if n equal to 4, l equal to 0, l equal to 1, l equal to 2, l equal to 3. Okay, na? 0, -1, 0, +1, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, +3. Total 16 values. Total 16. Any doubt? Any doubt? समझ में आया dear students?
No, sir.
Shall I go to next problem? 50 to 53 direct questions re. Theory this one. 54. 54. 54. Which of the following set of quantum numbers represent the highest energy? Good question. Highest energy. The first one, problem number 54. Highest energy. N equal to 3, L equal to 1. N equal to 3, L equal to 2. N equal to 4, L equal to 0. N equal to 3, L equal to 0. Energy depends on N plus L. Either N plus L is 3 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 4 plus 0, 3 plus 0. 3 plus 1 4, 3 plus 2 5, 4 plus 0 4, 3 plus 1 3. So if you are taking this one 1 2 3 4, which is more energy, dear students? M we need not to write, right? 54 dekho. Which of the following set of quantum numbers represents the highest energy? Highest energy means highest n plus L value. 2 is the highest energy. Either 1 and 3 same n plus L value. If same n plus L value same, then energy depends on. If both n plus L values are same, n plus L value same, energy depends on n. That's why 3. होने के बाद 1. होने के बाद 4. This is the energy. Highest energy, second one. Dear students, understood 54? Very important model problem, right? Any doubt?
Sir,
Shall I repeat?
yes, sir.
Dear students, 54. Which of the following set of quantum numbers represent the highest energy? N and L value is given. N plus L ले N plus L increases, energy increases. If both N plus L value is same, energy depends on N. So either highest N plus L value, highest energy, no doubt. Sir, either both N plus L values are same. If N plus L value is same, energy depends on N. 3 and 4, 4 ज़्यादा है. That's the 3. This one answer, third option. After that, first option, last fourth option. Any doubt? Any doubt, dear students?
No, sir.
Right. Next problem. The angular wave function depends upon quantum numbers. Good question here. Angular wave function depends on azimuthal quantum number, angular quantum number, and magnetic quantum number. Means L and M. 55. L and M. Angular wave function depends on azimuthal quantum number and magnetic quantum number. L and M. And one more thing, M depends on L now. 56. The minimum angular momentum of an electron is the magnetic quantum number. Good question here. M equal to -1, 0, +1 given. M -1, 0, +1 means L should be 1. L should be 1 means minimum n value 2 होना चाहिए. Then angular momentum formula MVR equal to NH by 2 pi. Then 2 into H by 2 pi. Then H by pi is the answer. Understood? 56. The minimum angular momentum of an electron with magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number -1, 0, +1 given. M this value है तो L1 होना चाहिए. L1 है तो minimum N2 होना चाहिए. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Next. 57. The electrons occupying the same orbital having the same values for all the quantum numbers. For example, 2s is there, 2s2 is there. 2s2 means these two electrons, n same, l same, m same. But s is different, either plus of or minus of. Upward direction plus of, downward direction minus of. Question clearly they are given. The electron occupying the same orbital have the same values for all the quantum numbers except spin. Spin different enough. Upward है तो +1 by 2, downward है तो -1 by 2. Spin is different. 58. Then 57 answer fourth one. 58. In order to designate an orbital in an atom, the number of quantum numbers required. Good question here. If you want to design any quantum number, if you want to, in order to designate an orbital in an atom, the number of quantum numbers required. Minimum 3 quantum numbers required. Spin quantum number not required, right? That's why now this is the solution for the Schrodinger wave equation. Principal, azimuthal, magnetic. These 3 quantum numbers required if you want to design any electron in the orbit. Understood? 3 quantum numbers required. '59, tell me 59. 59. The maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in all the orbitals for which L equal to 3. Array L equal to 3 which orbital? L equal to 3 which orbital?
D.
F orbital. Array F orbital है तो how many subcells? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 into 2. 14 electrons accommodate. Understood? Understood, dear students?
Yes.
Right. During the ionization of copper atom, the quantum number of electron removed may be. Good question here. Copper. What is the copper configuration? What is the copper configuration? Copper configuration 29, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, 3d10. If you want ionize copper +1 from 4s, loss of electron from 4s. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s 0, loss of electron from 4s. So 4s1 quantum number लिखना पड़ता है. n equal to 4, l equal to 0, m equal to 0, s equal to +1 by Then which is the answer? Understood, dear students? Copper configuration. Actually, copper 4s2 3d9 होना चाहिए, but chromium copper exhibit anomalous electronic configuration, either off-field or completely four stable. 4s1 3d10. Copper +1 means lose this electron. D10. 4s0. N4 L0 for this one. 4s1. L0 is the M0. Then which is the answer? Which is the answer? 60?
Third option.
Third option.
61.
Sir, but why M is 0?
क्या मैडम?
Sir, why then M is 0? I'm just confused there.
हाँ, if L0 है तो M0 है ना? L0 है तो definitely M0 है ना? L1 है तो M value क्या है? Either -1 or 0 or +1. Okay ना?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Next. The rule that explains the reason for the chromium to have, yes, good question. Actually, this is the chromium 24 argon core 4s2 3d4 होना चाहिए, but 4s1 3d5. Copper 29 argon core 4s2 3d9 होना चाहिए, but argon core 4s1 3d10. Either d5 off field 1 2 3 4 5, either d10 completely filled. What? Okay, these are off field. This is the which rule, right? While filling of electron in the degenerate orbital, first it should be off field. After that, electrons involved in the pairing. Which rule? Which principle?
Hands rule.
Hertz rule. According to Abbo principle, electron field inherent to increasing order of energy levels from lowest to highest. Hertz rule, first off field. Pauli's exclusion principle, no two electron can have same set of 4 components. Then answer is Hertz rule. Good question. '62, tell me 62. Which is violates Abbo principle? देखो, I will explain. 2s 2p. Are 2s 2 electrons? 2p, they are given like this way. Here 2s 2p, 2s 1 electron, 2p like this given. First option violate which principle? Hund's rule, right? This is the Hund's rule violate किया. 2s fill हो गया, 2p fill हो गया, but while filling of 2p electron, by से fill होना चाहिए. First option violate Hund's rule. Hund's rule is violate this one. Violate Hund's rule. Second, off fill होना चाहिए. Okay ना? Second option, अरे without completion of 2s electron filled in the 2p. This is violates which one? Understood, dear students? 2s complete नहीं किया. Without completion of the 2s, they are filled in the 2p. That is the wrong. Without completion of the long range level, कैसे fill करते हैं 2p? That is the wrong. Violates which principle? Third one correct, fourth one correct. 63 configuration लिखो, no problem. From Euler diagram लिखो. 64. 64. How many d electrons are present in chromium +2? Chromium +2. Sir, chromium, sir. Chromium 24, sir. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, 3d5 chromium. Chromium +2. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s0, 3d4. D4 configuration. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Understood, right? Either one electron, 2 electron loss हो गया. D4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of unpaired electrons are 4. Any doubt? Any doubt? Understood, dear students?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया ना? 65 theory देखो आप सॉल्व करो. 66 the ion that is most stable. Good question here. 66 the ion that is most stable. अरे ferric ion is the most stable यार. Iron plus 3 is the most stable. Sir, what is the reason? अरे iron atomic number 26 यार. 26 means argon core 4s 3d5. 3d6. Argon 18, 20, 26. Understood this one? Iron plus 3 means lose 3 electrons. Then argon core first 4s. From 4s 2 electron, remaining 1 electron from 3d, 3d5. D5 is the most stable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Complete off field, most stable. That's why ferric ion is more stable. Any doubt, dear students? The ion that is most stable, ferric ion, because of completely half field. Any doubt? समझ में आया रे?
Yes, sir.
67. Which has the same number of s electrons as d electrons in Fe plus 2. First Fe plus 2 I will write. 67. Iron 26. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d6. Which has the same number of s electrons and d electrons. S electrons and d electron. Are s electron and d electron? Okay. Either d electron, which has the same number of s electron as the d electron in Fe2 plus. Okay. Fe2 plus. Fe2 plus means 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s0, 4s0, 3d6. So in Fe plus 2, d electrons are 6 electrons. They are asking s electrons 6 होना चाहिए. Understood, right? S electrons as the d electrons in Fe plus 2. Okay, d electrons Fe plus 2, 6 electrons. Lithium 3, 1s2, 2s1. So s subcell electron, s electrons are 3. No, this is not answer. Sodium 11, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. No, 3s1. 3s1. S electrons are 2, 4, 5. No. Nitrogen 7. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Though s electrons are 4. Phosphorus answer 15 phosphorus. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. Yes, either 2, either 2, either 2. S electrons are 6 electrons. So either s electrons, which is equal to Fe plus 2 d electron. Both are same. Any doubt? Any doubt, dear students? Dear students, any doubt? 67?
No, sir.
No, sir.
68. Which of the following statements are incorrect? There are 5 unpaired electrons in Fe plus 3. अरे नौ ने solve किया ना? Fe plus 3 5 unpaired electrons correct. Fe plus 3 Mn plus Cr all have 24 electrons, same configuration, correct? Fe plus 3 iron 26. 26 minus 3. 23. Manganese plus 1. 24. Chromium 24. And the second statement also wrong, right? Copper 1 chloride is colored salt. So they are asking incorrect statement. Second statement incorrect, right? Copper 1 chloride is colored salt. Every colored ion is paramagnetic. That is correct way. Color exhibit due to presence of unpaired electron. Every colored ion is paramagnetic. Correct only. Unpaired electron paramagnetic. Copper 1 chloride is color salt. Wrong way. Because copper 1 chloride means copper plus 1. Copper plus 1 kaise calculate? Not possible. Copper plus 1. Copper 29, right? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, 3d10 copper. Copper plus 1 means lose from 4s0. 4s0, 3d10. 4s0, 3d10. अरे d10 है तो completely fill हो जाते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. d10. Number of unpaired electron 0. Colorless. Colorless. That's why this statement also wrong. Then which is the wrong? Third statement wrong. Second statement also wrong. Arey manganese plus 1, chromium 24, but iron plus 3 is not 24. Iron 26. 26 minus 3, 23. So both 2 and 3 statements are wrong statements. Understood, dear students? Dear students, understood?
Yes, sir.
Next, I will discuss some of the previous year questions.